Hi guys, welcome to the Ripple session. Again, for new joiners, welcome, and these are the areas that I will talk about, and they're based on two key concepts. Also, these sessions are for education research, also are discussions only and not financial advice. Please take note of this. So let's get started with Ripple. So in the past few weeks, we have seen the first, and actually I should add the sign of weakness over here. So right now we've got a rebound and retesting the level. So basically, if there's sufficient demand, it may go higher than the first. If not, then it's like a last point of supply over here, similar to last time. And then eventually, depending on the market conditions, it may bounce 1 or 2 or 3 more times before it returns to the white box, the long-term playground zone. So the candlesticks themselves, there was quite a bit of significant trading. The signal that we can say over here is whenever it went below, the price went below the purple line, there seems to be quite strong buying power or quite strong demand that pushed the price back to between where the green line and the purple line is. And including this week, that brings the price above the green line. It may look positive, however, the volume bar is very short and we've got a very long candle. That could mean we have very limited supply, and that's why the price got pushed up so high, even though the trading volume is that low. So depending on how you read this as well, and whether that's positive or negative news, that's probably a hint. So that's for Wyckoff and the weekly candlesticks. And again, if it comes down, the white box is, I would say, a reasonably possible level. Reason being this long-term accumulation cycle that happened for almost 900 days. 900 days is, if my memory serves me correctly, is probably the longest among the 13 crypto that I have been talking about. There was one around 700, a couple of them around 500. This one, Ripple, is particularly long, probably because of the legal battle happening in the past like 2 years, 3 years, or even longer. I haven't counted. So it's a good or positive sign earlier, late last year, or a happy scenario for supporters of Ripple, that the price broke out to a very, very impressive high, like doubling, almost doubled if we compare the peak compared to last time. It doesn't mean it can't go higher. It can still have an upwards after distribution, so it can possibly double or over double compared to 2021 price, but it depends on how things go in terms of, like, the regulators and all that, even the development or the adoption of the crypto itself. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So interestingly, just today, it seems it's going to close above the pink box. There may be a chance that the price or the Ripple coin itself will trade at a range that we've seen in January, but that's no guarantee. At this point, for myself, that's like, if it continue to go up, then obviously I'll push my stop loss higher. Not that I'm owning any Ripple at the moment. I'm just talking about like the trading mindset, so to say. it's not a point where I go in. So I understand people will look at this like, oh, it has broken through like a resistance line. Let's put in some positions to long it. That's a risky move. Obviously, there may be a chance that you make a successful trade, but more time than not, it may bounce back and then return to the pink zone. So when it returns, that's actually a good opportunity if you like short it, because it may likely go to somewhere in the middle or even all the way to the bottom before it bounces back again. So it all depends on how you test your strategy, and also more importantly whether you're disciplined with the trade decision that you should make. So again, that's pretty much it for Ripple. It may come back and trade within the pink box if there's no particularly good or bad news. That's a close for Ripple, and I'll see you